Hey, second graders, now it is time for you to practice finding root words. So remember, to separate the root word from the ending, you have to cut off the S, the ES, and the ING. Okay? When we cut off those endings, S, ES, and ING, those mean that the action is happening now. Okay? The ending ed means the action has happened in the past. So on this sheet, you are going to read each sentence, and then you are going to look at each underlined word and draw a line between the root word and the ending. So let's all look at opened. Okay, so if we cut off the ed, we now have open. OPEN. Okay. So we know that that is our root word. I want you to see if you can do number 2 and number 3 on your own. Make sure you submit it at the bottom. And that's it. Have a good day.